That's 2 fiber optic strands with a 3mm LED. Almost just like the front, but instead of the fiber optic tube, I'm using the factory fiber optic piece. Here's one of my fiber optic lights that I've already had made up. 3mm LEDs right there. The 2 fiber optic tubings. I made a whole bunch of these up already. That way I have them made up. There's the surface mount LEDs in the ditch light housing. Letting the glue dry on it now. Okay guys, I'll be back in a little while. Thank you. Cab figures in, interiors painted. Just waiting on that all to dry up before I can put it back together. Ditch lights are installed. Front walkways back together. These leads, they will be tucked into the factory wire spots. Then I'll put that wire back down to hold the leads nice and secure. Rear lights installed. Still gotta shrink wrap the tubing. All I did was took that light straight off the factory Kato board, light board, and it works perfect. I don't have to use one of the other functions. The rear light's already installed into the engine. That's for the front. This was cut off of the factory fiber optic tubing. That way I can keep the number boards and headlights. 3mm LED right there. We'll be taking the front headlight off right there, and the front headlight will be soldered onto those connections right there onto the leads. Just waiting on everything to dry up, and I'll be able to button this all back up. And to get my 12 volt positive, I'm actually going to be going off of here, and my functions right here, I'm wiring them both into separate functions. That way if I want to have flashing ditch lights, I can. I might just put them on one because Burlington Northern don't have flashing ditch lights. If I put them on one, it leaves me with 2 extra functions right here. Alright guys, sometime tomorrow I'll be buttoning this all up and putting it back together. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.